This is a perfect example of how not to install a roof. This installer is using what is called the rack method. It is more susceptible to wind damage, and it will show up the small inconsistencies in the color between shingle bundles. This roofer is also only using 3 nails instead of 4 to 6. And if the starter strip has been installed improperly or not at all. Perfect example of how not to install a shingle roof. Some of these shingles he is using 4 to 6 nails, but he's not spacing them properly. Very poor installation, guys.